Today is the day that I made broccoli stalk fries. I've been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, so I had to give it a try. To make them, just reserve the stalk of your broccoli, trim that off. Trim it down and then cut into fry-sized pieces. In a separate mixing bowl, mix olive oil, Parmesan cheese, and any spices that you wanted to use, and salt and pepper. And put the broccoli stalks into the bowl with all of the spices and shake it up. Then on a sheet tray, put down about a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. Place your broccoli stalks over top of that cheese. And place in a 400-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Just check to see how done you want it to be. And then serve it with your favorite dip. I'm serving mine with a creamy peppercorn dip.